to effectively address the research problem that I selected for my study, which is students enrolled in online classes at the Borough of Manhattan Community College who have struggled with effectively navigating the database system at the college. I chose the method of the research, the qualitative design method of a case study. And the reason why I chose the case study is that I believe that creating formal questionnaires to identify common themes and labels and to conduct follow-up interviews would be the most effective method to identify the problem effectively and to address and come up with strategies to close that gap in performance. So I believe that to appropriately address this, a case study design is the best and most effective method to solve this